Okay, I've got everything I could possibly need. The correct power adapter for the famicom, batteries in the disk system, this Zelda game, the RAM adapter, everything I need. Oh, and also a VCR that goes up to 96 because this thing doesn't. Surprising for a CRT. And it's in the mid 2000s, so this TV was made in the mid 2000s. Why on earth it doesn't be able to do that? I don't know. Side A, like so. I am not left-handed. Oh, right, I forgot. You need to actually turn on the system. Side A. Well, it works. That's good. Eventually, I will get an adapter for the disk system and a better way to hook it up. I've already got my bedroom already ready for this thing, so yeah, it'll be on a much bigger TV. Okay, now it's time to flip the disc. Yeah, it's Zelda. I mean, it's got um some pieces of music that are different, obviously, because they took advantage of it being on a disc other than a cartridge. Ah, yes, old floppy drive noises. Happy old floppy drive noises. And that was the saving process. And now I can eject the disc, put it away. in the case. For the next time I want to play it, which will be pretty soon because it is basically the only game that I have for this thing. Scratch that. The only game. Yep, and now... Yep. But we're not going to do that. That's the end of the video.